morning everyone. So in our earlier class we were seeing the topic words and words group, and we knew about word. We knew about the topic word. Means what is a word? A word is a group of letters. A group of letters having a certain meaning. Like smart. Smart means good looking. Here the word smart means good looking. Brave means bold. Brave means bold. Intelligent. Intelligent means brilliant. Okay, so what is a word? We came to know that a word is a group of letters that has a certain meaning. It's called a word, like examples given here. Okay, in our today's class we will see phrase, clause and sentence. Okay, what is a phrase? A phrase is also a group of letters that are arranged in such a form that it has a meaning, but it is just the part of the sentence. Okay, once you keep it separate from the sentence, it becomes meaningless. Okay, like here for example, a group of words, a phrase is a group of words arranged in such a manner that has meaning but it does not have subject verb agreement. Okay, means you would not find any such subject and verb in this phrase. Okay, so a phrase is a group of words arranged in such a way that it has meaning, but it does not have subject verb agreement. Okay, and it is just the part of the sentence. Once you keep it, the group of words separately, it becomes meaningless. Okay, like for example, the monkey was sitting on the tree. Here the example given, the monkey was sitting on the tree. So here on the tree represents the phrase. Where was he sitting? He was sitting on the tree. So on the tree representing the phrase means it has a meaning. It means on. It is starting with the preposition, so it is prepositional phrase. Okay. Okay, if it is starting with adverb, so it will be called as adverbial phrase. Okay, if it is starting with preposition, it is called as prepositional phrase. If it is starting with the adverb, then it will be called as adverbial phrase. Okay, so let us discuss some more examples related to it. I gave speech on behalf of my whole team. Whole team. On behalf of. Here, on behalf of is a phrase. Again, this phrase is started with on. So, on is a preposition. So, it is prepositional phrase. Okay. Let us discuss the next topic, which is clause. A clause is also a group of words but it has subject verb agreement, subject verb combination, you can say subject verb combination. Okay, like example, if it rains, I will not come. If it rains, I will not come. So here the first sentence, if it rains, if I look at this particular sentence, means you could imagine that there should be something. If I hide this portion, one can simply imagine that there must be something. Okay, so there are two types of clauses. One is dependent and other is independent. If I talk about this particular, so this is independent clause, because here in this is a sentence itself, means if I hide this, so it is complete in itself. But if I hide this portion, so if it rains, one could imagine that there should be something else. Okay, आपको ऑटोमेटिक पता चल जाएगा कि if it rains के बाद क्या होगा. Okay, but I will not come, this is a sentence itself, it is complete in itself. So here it is dependent clause and that is independent clause. Dependent clause. This is dependent and that is independent. Okay. So let us move on to the next. The next is sentence. What is a sentence? It is a group of words. It is a group of words that make complete sense. Like he was staring at me. He was staring at me. He was staring at me. Okay, so this is verb subject, this is verb, whole is a verb, and this is object. Okay, means a sentence has all the three things like subject, verb, and object. Okay, so we came to know that a sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. Okay, so this is all about words and words group. Thank you very much.